in this video we will wrap up the procedure. I'm going to turn this around and keep this on the screen since we don't have tape to hold it together, so I don't want the screen touching the floor. Put this like this. We will put the LEDs back in here. Remember, this part goes this way because the other side is for the fan. And here we go. There we go. Make sure that it's all snug in there. We'll grab the screwdriver and hold this in place. Snug enough. For the purposes of the video, I'm not going to put all 6 screws in here because nobody wants to watch me screw 6 or 8 screws, like 2 more for the fan. Just takes too long. Why would anybody want to watch that? Okay, so we'll grab this little tab, make sure you put it on here, and then gently make sure that it's in the right spot, and then you'll press down on all the different corners to make sure that it is in the best possible fashion, okay, without snapping anything, without being harsh. All right, then move the camera up a little bit here, and we will reconnect this up again very carefully. We will look for the bits and pieces, and the most troublesome piece, as you recall, I'll have the other screen here, tends to be this piece here. Goes back in here. And I usually need 2 fingers there to make sure that it stays in place, and then the other hand will help out. Then we have the fan that goes in here. Done. And the other cable that goes here. Done. And as you can see here, the screen will jump around a little bit because it's not fixed in place with tape, which clearly isn't a good thing, but let's see if the cover that was created will do its job. Hopefully it will. And it will save a lot of time and maybe do us all some good. Alright, that'll go in here. This one will go in there. And again, there we go. I don't know if this is going to work, but we'll do it. Okay. One more part in here. Just bear with me. And one more screw here. It's the famous lefty loosey and righty tighty. Okay, to make sure we do this well without snapping anything, without breaking any of the good work that we've put in here. Just once you break stuff, then, you know, it's back to the drawing board. We don't want to do that. Okay, cool. Turn the machine on. We'll give it a little test. All right, and she wakes. Cool. Go to control, go to clear. Not too shabby. I don't know if these screens are okay because there's something weirdness there with the lights being thrown off to the side. I'm not sure why that is. But as far, that looks fantastic. There's not a whole lot of light coming through. It's just a little tiny bit. So yeah, there you have it. How to replace the screen, and hopefully if this is not enough, then we can always add a little layer of thickness, or just 3D print it in black is probably better than silver. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.